Guys, I see what my problem is with the pressure washer. It's not that it's ugly, and it's not that it's trash picked, and it was years ago, and it works just fine. My problem is that I don't have the models on the infomercial to come over here and do all my pressure washing. And their fancy chinos, their nice shoes, designer shirts, $1,000 worth of jewelry, and nice haircuts. Shit, those guys could have had my driveway, the house, the roof, the patio, the back porch. The car is done in 15 minutes. Damn, I hate that. What a dumbass I've been.